Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a Moong Dal Dosa at your home. So for the Moong Dal Dosa, what you need, here I took 1 cup of Moong Dal and I'm adding this one in this vessel, and in this I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoon of rice. So I added 2 to 3 tablespoon of rice. So you can use any rice, basmati, samba rice, any rice. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to wash this moong dal. So I washed the moong dal, and into this I'm going to add the hot water. Why we are adding the hot water? Because it will soak very easily. So that's why. And if you want, you can add the cold water also. So yeah. So we have to soak this one for 10 to 20 minutes. Then after that we have to grind. So this is very easy dosa recipe guys. So my Pesaratu batter is ready guys. What I am going to do, I grind it in the blender. Then I add some chopped coriander. Here I have some chopped onion, and into this I am going to add some salt as per your taste and the ink powder. So here I am adding the ink powder. It gives a nice flavor and some salt. So I want to tell you one thing. When you are grinding, you have to add the small piece of ginger and two green chilies, or if you want, you can add the red chili also. And yeah, so I'm going to add some salt. So no fermentation is required for this dosa or Pesaratu. In Karnataka, it's called Pesaratu. So let's start the to prepare dosa. So grease some oil in the iron pan so that the dosa batter won't stick. So yeah. So here I'm going to put the dosa batter, the Pesaratu dosa batter. If you want thin, you can make thin. If you want thick, you can prepare thick. That is up to your choice. And you will get crisp dosa guys. And in the surroundings I'm going to add some oil. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn this dosa into the other side. Can you see? It's nicely cooked and it's time to remove. So this is my plain Pesaratu. I'm going to make the onion Pesaratu or onion moong dal dosa. And I'm going to add some oil. So in this I'm going to add some chopped onion. It gives a nice taste in this dosa, and I'm going to cover this one like this. So can you see? So here I have the plain Pesaratu and the onion Pesaratu. This is a very easy recipe and you can prepare in under 15 to 20 minutes. And I'm going to have this with the gunpowder. So yeah, so this is a quick video of how to make moong dal Pesaratu or moong dal dosa at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.